You see record on it?
Something in red. I can't read it.
Okay.
Okay.
Gung Ho fire making. What I have here is just some cotton balls with some Carmax lip balm on it. Wow, works good. Look at that.
I have made fire!
One second.